This is the Crayon Lab. So it says, do this one together at the same time. Each person takes a small piece of crayon. So I don't have two people here. We're going to take a small pieces of crayon. I'm going to use each person, so I'm going to have two. Take a red and a blue piece of crayon here. Okay. If there is paper on the crayon, remove it. There's not paper on this. Observe and list physical properties. So I'm going to make an observation. They're red and blue, and then I'm going to draw, make a mark like it says to. So I would have a red and a blue line drawn. And then I'm going to place a piece of foil in the bottom of the pie plate. So here's my foil. I'm ripping my foil. I'm going to put it in the bottom of the pie plate like this. Okay. Okay. Then, right, I'm going to place the bit of crayon in the foil and put the pie plate on the hot plate. So we're going to make sure my hot plate is on. Since it wasn't on, it might take a while. So I'm going to go to high, and I'm going to put my crayons on the hot plate, but on the foil, not the pan. All right, then I'm going to read my instructions while it's warming. It says wait 2-3 minutes, observe and record property changes, then turn off the hot plate and unplug. We're going to use this when it's unplugged to remove the pie tin to make sure we don't burn ourselves, right? And then we're going to make a mark with our new crayon. And you can do that different ways. Lots of people have dipped like an old pencil or something that's broken into the mixture and then make a mark with that and let it dry while it's liquid, and then they can keep their crayon. So we are just waiting. It's going to take a little while for this to melt because our hot plate was not warm. So we can talk about this a little bit while we're at this station. We have our types of physical changes here. These are the 6 options that you're going to use in your data table based on what you saw in each video. So you have a phase change, right? You have dissolving, you have opacity change, volume change, color change, and shape change. You're going to categorize what you see in each lab with one of these changes, and you're going to use the differences observed to justify that decision when you are doing your writing. Okay, so basically what's going to happen is you're going to melt these crayons, and I'll just kind of show what that looks like. All right, I'm going to get a glop that looks like this, and then it's going to dry, and I would take this new color here that's a mixture of both, and I would make a mark. And so that's my Crayon Lab.